How to create a public room in OTR 2. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Creating a public room in OTR 2 lets other players join your game and explore the world together. So here's how you can do it. First of all, launch open the OTR 2 game on your device, and once you're in, from the left, go to the multiplayer option and tap on it. Inside multiplayer, select Create Public, and then you'll be able to create a public room and you have joined into the game. If you want to find the details for your public room, then tap the menu button at the top left, and inside General, you'll be able to see your room ID, your passcode, if you've got one, and then other details such as server, if the winch is on or off, and so on. Now, if you want your friends to join in, then you can go ahead and share this room code or ID, and they'll be able to join you in the game. You can share this ID with anyone via any messaging application or from anywhere. And right there you have successfully created a public room in OTR 2. That's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.